everybody, 650 here. Welcome home to the channel. Today, we're at the tail of the dragon in beautiful Tennessee, and we're going to be riding Yamaha's new 2024 MT-09 SP. So it's really cool that Yamaha's using keyless go on this machine. Turn that dial, key in my pocket, and the motorcycle comes to life. It looks exactly like the regular version of the MT-09 that I rode earlier this year. Very easy to get into various modes: rain, street, sport, custom 2, custom 1. I'm going to start out today in rain mode just to get a feel for it. See how it is. Fire it up. There are various themes on this motorcycle, also very easy to get into the menu setting for the themes. Tap this button here, and then we just scroll using this beautiful jog wheel here on the side, and we can go over to theme, and look at that, lots of different themes. Let's change it up for you. There. Pretty awesome, pretty awesome, pretty awesome. I like the feel of the throttle in rain mode. It's a nice gradual feel. If you try to give it full throttle, it won't, which is nice because, you know, in slippery conditions or something like that, you really don't want full throttle in rain mode. Quick shift and auto blip work in rain mode. Okay, I think I've had enough of rain mode. As soon as we get away from these grass clippings, I'm going to switch modes, which we're going to test right now. I believe you can do on the fly, and we're going to test out sport mode. Oh, okay, street mode. All right, street mode. Oh yeah, throttle response is amplified quite a bit. Oh boy, I'm gonna like street mode. So I just signaled for Josh Hayes to pass me. He did so very effortlessly and very clean. So now he is ahead of me. Oh, there, now he's gone. And there he goes. I'm not going to try very hard at all to keep up with Josh Hayes. He's going to be out of here, out of our viewpoint any moment. But the back of his bike looks nice. It's time to fuel up. And the way that you access the fuel cap on the MT-09, so you see here, it will not open when the bike is on. You basically have 30 seconds from when you turn the bike off to open up the fuel cap. Pops right open. And if you leave it open too long, it produces an audible alarm. Okay, Aaron, show us something cool about the bike here, man.
All right, what's up, Eve? Come in here. Got some really cool electronics to show everybody. So okay. When we get into settings, click settings, get into vehicle function, get into your YRC settings, get into your modes. So here you have all of the different modes, and you can get into how you can customize the different electronics on the bike. One thing that we wanted to do with all of these technologies that we have in this bike, we wanted to have some sort of visual to show the rider what are these electronics adjusting and modifying. So for example, within your YRC Yamaha ride control mode, you can get into the power mode, and you have different settings there. What you can do is select on that, and that gives you a visual indicator of, okay, I'm adjusting how the power is going to feel. So
I see that. So the engine. Yeah.
So then you can go back. We have a lot of different technologies to talk about. We've got traction control. We've got slide control. So for example, traction control, you can see.
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Okay, when I adjust this is going to when the rear wheel is spinning, traction control. But then, hey, what's this slide control? Let's check this out. So this is different. It does work with the traction control, but slide control is a technology from our MotoGP program, and that's going to control the lateral slide. So as the motorcycle leans over, if you get a little bit of slide laterally, that's going to help out with that performance right there.
Yeah, I love the animations.
Yeah,
beautiful.
Lift control,
Look at that.
We call that pitch internally, but the front wheel coming up, wheelie control is what most people talk about.
Yeah.
And yeah, just one of the technologies exclusive to the MT-09 SP is our engine brake management. This was a technology first introduced on the 2020 R1, so it's really cool how that super sport technology is getting into our hyper naked motorcycle lineup.
Yeah.
This is a technology exclusive on this bike. Engine brake management, again, you can get into that, and that'll show you that, okay, engine braking and how that's going to impact the rear wheel spinning, and that'll give you a visual indicator there.
That is awesome, man. Thanks, Aaron.
Sure thing.
The MT-09 SP does have a cruise control. Tap the button right here to turn it on, hit the switch downward to set it, and now we're cruising. It's not adaptive cruise control, and it doesn't continue to work when you shift gears, but it is awesome that the bike has cruise control. 3 things I'd love to see on this machine to make it even more of a premium bike: heated grips, hill hold, where you get to a light long press on the brake lever and it maintains the brake, and angled valve stems. Those 3 things will make this even more of a premium offering, but we're off to a great start on this machine right now, and it rides amazing. Tail of the Dragon, the perfect place to use the MT-09 SP and its beautiful Öhlins suspension. But what I've been using more than that are its upgraded Brembo brakes. The Stalima calipers up front and the master cylinder. Man, I've gotten into some close calls where I've had to give it some brake, and the brakes on this beast are exceptional. The quick shift and auto blip are great too. I haven't had to switch gears much. I've been in second gear the whole time, but that's good. That just shows you that the power from the CP3 engine, a triple cylinder engine in this beast, makes ample power. Enough power for this road without you having to gear hunt an up and down shift. But if you did, the stock quick shift and auto blipper work great, and they work when you're accelerating and when you're not. I see why everyone loves the Tail of the Dragon. I mean, it is fun on this type of bike. I wouldn't want to do it on anything larger than this. Absolutely not. But on this bike, it's great. I didn't think my friends at Yamaha could do it, guys, but they did. They improved upon the already great 2024 MT-09 with this beautiful SP version, and it is indeed much, much better. And I gotta tell you, the things that stand out to me on this machine are the amazing brakes with the Brembo Stalima calipers, the Brembo master cylinder. Yeah, just awesome. And I did notice a difference, believe it or not, with the Öhlins suspension in the rear and the beautiful KYB forks up front, laser etched for the MT-09 SP. That's great. You guys know I love the CP3 triple cylinder engine in this beast. Makes perfect power for these roads here at Tail of the Dragon and the Cherahalla Skyway that we enjoyed today. And now we get to take in these beautiful views from the Fontana Dam. Yeah. But guys, this bike is amazing. I love the little things that you notice after staring at the bike all day, like how these lines go through the entire bike, from the front nose here, the side fairings, all the way across the tank and to the back of the machine. It is really, really nice. And I love the sound that comes out of these amplified outlets here. The beautiful howling noise that you hear when you're getting on the throttle of this beautiful machine. It's just great. The polished swing arm, great touch. Yeah, just a beautiful bike altogether. You guys know I love the little things like dedicated brake lights, as you see right here. Look at that. That's gorgeous. I even like how it's clear for the brake lights as well. Beautiful bike. Super easy to get on and just ride it fast immediately, you know. And they even added an additional theme to the bike, and we can get into that by hitting the menu button. And we will go over to themes here, and you'll see there's now a track theme. So now we have theme 1, 2, 3, 4, and now track. And now, as you can see, the tachometer starts at 5,000 RPM, because when you're on the track, you're revving up that high pretty much all the time, and it shows you important information like a lap timer and things like that. Gone is information that you don't need, like the odometer and other things. That is awesome. But my favorite mode, my favorite theme right now is the one right here that kind of mimics the Yamaha piano. With those are kind of like piano keys down there for the tachometer. It looks brilliant. It looks great. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna fire this bike up. Oh, and not to mention, guys, you can still connect your phone to this bike and have your screen take over. Okay, somebody's having fun over there. And have turn-by-turn navigation take over the entire screen, caller ID, and and your music on the screen by using the apps and connecting to the Bluetooth of that bike. Super easy to do. I did it on the 2024 MT-09, and that screen works in the same way. Beautiful. Okay, guys are heading out of here. Let's fire this thing up, give you one more listen to this awesome bike. Sounds amazing, looks great. Beautiful LED lights. Every single light on this bike is LED. It does have triple turn signals. It does have self-canceling turn signals. It is definitely a premium bike. Simply touch that and the turn signal blinks 3 times. Really awesome. Again, I do love the keyless go. Super easy to use. And when you want to access your fuel tank, you have 30 seconds when you turn off the bike to pop it open. It closes, and you can lock the machine really easily. It's a great bike, guys. Great bike for the price. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. We'll catch you next time on the 650 EV YouTube channel.